community, what I want to do right now is go over my newest smoothie shake. As you know, if you've been following me, I've been trying to increase my protein doing a carnivorous diet. So I've added a few game changer things, which I've simplified the recipe. So I want to show you what I'm currently doing. So hang on. Okay, so this has been a game changer right here. I'm going to add basically a cup of egg whites, which is going to give me 25 grams of protein. I'm going to add this, which is Paleo Protein, which is hydrolyzed beef. This is very, very critical. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Nordic Naturals Arctic Cod Liver Oil. I've also been trying to consume organ meats, which I'm going to put in here. This is grass-fed organ meat. Let me show you what's on the label. Okay, so it has basically liver, heart, kidney, pancreas, and spleen in there. We ran out of milk, so I would do half and half, but if you're sensitive to dairy, just use water. And 1 banana. 1 cup of the egg white. 2 tablespoons of the fish oil. You can see it floating right there. That's a protein powder. I put roughly a scoop and a half in there, so I have roughly about 30 grams of protein powder, 25 grams of whites. Just added some milk to the mix, but if you're milk sensitive, just stick with water or coconut milk. Banana's been added. I put some ice cubes in there with a splash of water. Now we're gonna blend it. Okay, it's on the blender. This goes for 1 minute and stop. There it is, blended up. Here you go. Here's the roughly 50 grams of protein in a morning shake.